Be ready, start. Violence against women in India refers to physical or sexual violence committed on Indian women. Mostly, such violent acts are committed by the men, or in rare case, a woman might also be involved. Most common forms of violence against Indian women are domestic abuse and sexual assault. For an act to qualify as violence against women, it must be committed only because the victim is a female. Violence against women in India is widely prevalent mainly due to long lasting gender inequality present for centuries. The National Crime Record Bureau of India has the responsibility of publishing the crime data, including violence against women. The last annual report released by National Crime Record Bureau in August 2018 has indicated towards an increased rate of violence against Indian women. Cases of sexual violence against women in India have jumped up by over 10% than the preceding years, and rape accounts for 12% of all the crimes committed against women. Delhi stands highest for reported rape cases at 30%, followed by Sikkim at 22%. However, it must be kept in mind that these figures are not actual, as many cases of rape and domestic violence go unreported. There are many types of crimes that come under the category of violence against women. Some of the most common forms of violence against women committed in India are listed below. Para. Sexual assault on a woman refers to the situation where a person intentionally makes inappropriate physical contact with a woman without her consent or forces her into a sexual act. It is a sexual violence and includes crimes like rape, drugs induced sexual assaults, child sexual abuse, and groping. Domestic violence against women is carried out in a domestic environment. Many cases of domestic violence in India's patriarchal society go unreported. It includes physical abuse of a woman by her in laws, husband, or relatives. Social evils like dowry system, gender inequality are primarily responsible for domestic violence against women. Honor killing refers to the murder of a family member who has supposedly brought shame to the family by going against the family's will on issues like arranged marriage, by choosing a partner from other caste, or in some cases by committing adultery. Throughout India, cases of young girls going missing are continuously reported. These girls are supposedly lured on the pretext of securing a job or earning money and sent to other states and subsequently forced into prostitution. Indian society is male dominated society where women do not have the rights to make major decisions related to the family. Moreover, researches revealed that almost 60% of males in India think that women in the family must be beaten from time to time. This societal setup always keeps women at a vulnerable position. Para. Domestic violence committed on a woman has a tendency to be carried over to the next generation. A child who watches his father physically abusing his mother is most likely to do the same to his wife when he grows up. Nuclear families have more reported incidents of violence against women as there is no elder person to intervene and settle the matter.